Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Law 254, your favorite legal show that seeks to demystify the law, give useful tips and guidance on how you can interact with the law on a day-to-day basis, basically putting the law in your hands. I'm Wakili Kiti, I'm an advocate of the High Court, and I'm an intellectual property lawyer or expert. And today I want to talk about intellectual property, and I love intellectual property. But before we proceed, ensure that you have your mask always. Wear your mask, sanitize, maintain social distancing. This third wave is crazy and people are dying for real. So ensure that you protect yourself. Corona is no joke. So today I want to talk about intellectual property broadly, but I want to specify on trademark, because a trademark is what runs a lot of things, a lot of biasharas, etc. So sometimes it's pretty complicated to understand it, but I'll try my level best to break it down in a way that is very simple and straightforward. So you would ask, what is a trademark? All right, and before I explain in too many words what a trademark is, I think I should use another route to make you understand. So many times you've seen different brands, names of companies, you've seen logos, you've seen a set of words, say a slogan, you've seen monograms, you've seen marks, signatures that are being used all over. And once you see them, so for instance, if you see Safaricom, you know that's Safaricom. Once you see a particular icon, say Apple, the logo of Apple, it already tells you what the name of the company is. It tells you what the company deals in, both in terms of the product and in service. It already tells you the standard of excellence of that particular brand. That right there is what we call a trademark. Like, you can look at a name, or you can look at a brand or a slogan or a set of words, say Pride of Africa, say like Nakumatt, you need it, you've got it, and already you know what company it is, what products or services they deal in, and the standard of excellence that they deliver their goods or services. So that right there is what we call a trademark. Okay, so a trademark is a legal protection that protects those signs, those names, those slogans, those monograms. It protects those signs with regards to a particular goods or service. So for instance, if you see Safaricom, you know that Safaricom is a telecommunication company. It deals with, among other things, offering telecommunication services, but it also offers M-Pesa, etc. And they are pretty reliable, right? So that, when you see Safaricom, the trademark protects any other person from calling his name, say Safaricon, or something that's close to that, and also offering services in telecommunication. All right, so that's exactly what trademark is. So look at it this way: when you start a company, it has nothing, no name for itself. All right, you've started a company today, say you've called it what? You've called it a particular name. All right, it has nothing to its name, so you have to put in resources to market it. You have to put in resources to employ people who will be your ambassadors. You have to put in resources to ensure that the quality of the goods or services that you're delivering is up to standards. You have to put in resources over a duration of time. So pole, that brand crystallizes in the market because of the resources and time and the attention that you accord that business. The brand crystallizes in the market and it becomes now a brand in the market. So when someone else wants to come in and masquerades or misleads the public to believe that they are you and they offer your products, then there's a problem there. And that's why trademark comes into place, to protect that right that someone acquires, that goodwill that someone acquires, having put in the time, resources over a duration of time to build in a brand. All right, so how do you protect a trademark? You protect